Kia ora, and here is video 4, which is another one where we're going to solve an equation, and we're again looking for common base with our powers and a little bit of factorizing. So we're solving for C. C is over here, and let's just take a look what we got. I'm trying to get my pen to work. Right, this is 2 to the power of k plus 1. This is 4, which has got something to do with 2, and this is 2 to the power of k plus 2. And we are trying to solve for k. Now, let me see. That should not be an n. That should be a k. That makes everything work a wee bit better. Right, so our goal is eventually to get C isolated, but first we're going to do some common basis stuff. Should be starting to feel familiar again. So 2 to the power of k plus 1 plus 4 is 2 squared times 2 to the power of k plus 2 is equal to C times 2 to the power of k. Right, so let's clean up first this term here. Don't make the mistake of thinking that we multiply the powers. We don't. We just add them. Same base, so we add the powers. Think back to year 9. Right, it's just year 9 in a slightly harder context. Now, we're going to do what we did in the previous little video. We look at the 2 to the k plus 1, and we look at the 2 to the k plus 4, and we can see we've got a common factor. The highest common factor on the left-hand side is 2 to the power of k plus 1. We've got 1 times that to match up the first term, and then we've got 3 times that to match up this one here. Right, so just satisfy yourself that k plus 1 plus 3 is going to match up your k plus 4. And now this equals C times 2 to the power of k. So let's keep on going. What do we have now? Well, we've got 2 to the power of k plus 1 times 1 plus 8 is 9 is equal to C times 2 to the k. We're going to finally be able to isolate C by dividing both sides through by this. So what does that give us? Well, we get 2 to the k plus 1 over 2 to the k times 9 is equal to C. Just about there. This is 2 to the k plus 1. Most of you will do this in your head. I'm going to do it more slowly. Times 9 equals C. So here, this term simplifies to just 2. So 2 9s are 18. C is equal to 18. There you go.